What am I pissed at?
Usually it's inside. At ourselves.
Yeah.
For something. Oh my gosh, I'm getting all anxious. Why am I getting all anxious? Why do I even get stressed? This is dumb. So letting go of the story of being upset with yourself and standing in your power like, oh, I'm just gonna be present, move my body around, and keeping that fluidity of who we're meant to be. Free, playful, elf, easy, lucrative, and fun. That's what life's meant to be. But we have to invite it. You got this. I think it's a matter of knowing inside that we've committed to us. It's a difference of when somebody's fasting and they've made the commitment, they say, I'm fasting, thanks anyway. And you offer the most beautiful layered chocolate cake. And they say, no, I am fasting. They've made a decision. And once you've made that internal decision, your outward will become that. Always inside out, never outside in. Nobody tempts us. Nothing tempts us. It's all from the inside out.